In this video, I will show you how to use your own photos as your Galaxy Fit3 wallpaper. Open the Galaxy wearable app and select Watch Faces. Here, you can see a list of watch faces that are ready for you to use. For now, I will pick the photos watch face which by default come with the dog photo. If you can't see that in the favorites section, scroll down to look for it. Tap Customize. Here, you can tap Gallery to pick your photos from there. You can pick a maximum of 7 photos. Next, you can edit those photos one by one. You can crop them and adjust the brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, etc. Once you finish, tap Done. You can also change the clock's position, either at the bottom or top. Color-wise, there are many available for you to choose. Alright, I will stick with white. Once you're happy with everything, tap Done to let them sync to your Fit3. Okay, you see, the Fit3 wallpaper has changed. Now, simply tap the watch to switch the photos. That's it for this video. I hope it helps.